So I often get asked how I get my skin so glowy, bouncy, and youthful. And I'm about to put y'all on today. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niobe Monroe. And I am a huge skincare lover and enthusiast. I am a skincare influencer on TikTok. And I thought, why not talk about all the amazing skincare knowledge that I know here on YouTube as well. So today we will be talking about hyaluronic acid, because I believe hyaluronic acid is literally the fountain of youth. If you want your skin to be nice, plump, and feeling bouncy, then hyaluronic is the ingredient you need to learn about. And lucky for you, I will be talking about hyaluronic acid today. Now, we are in some new lighting. Let me know if you guys like it here. I just wanted to show off the skin. Okay, today is all about skin because spring is around the corner. Summer is coming up, and I have a feeling the girlies are gonna be showing off their skin this summer and wearing minimal makeup. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel down below, like this video, and follow me on my other socials. My Instagram, TikTok, and Lemonade will be posted down below. All right, so I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about hyaluronic acid and how to apply it correctly. Not only do you need to educate yourself on the skincare ingredient, but I think the best way to go about it is also learning how to correctly use it in order to start achieving maximum skincare results. So what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. Fun fact, it actually holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it perfect for dry and dehydrated skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna just jump in and show you all my hyaluronic acid skincare routine and how to properly apply this skincare ingredient. So first, you're gonna grab a spray bottle and you're going to completely dampen your face. We're doing this because in order for the hyaluronic acid to work in your favor and properly, it needs moisture to latch onto, because if you're applying it on simply dry skin, it's gonna do the reverse and it's gonna be pulling the moisture out of your skin versus pulling the moisture from products and this extra water we'll be applying to our face. So next, we're gonna apply a facial spray. So there are two facial sprays that I actually love applying onto my skin. And on some days I will apply both of them, and on other days I might just apply one. But for the purpose of the video, let's say today is the day I'm going to be applying both. The first daily facial spray is by Say Hooray Skincare, and this is the daily facial spray with hypochlorous acid. So what hypochlorous acid is that it soothes your irritated skin, it just calms down your skin. I just love to apply it because, like, why not? Why not calm your skin down? The second facial spray I love to apply is by Earth Harbor, and this is called Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Mist with seaweed and rose water. It smells amazing. Literally, it smells so good. It's super hydrating. And just by adding these facial sprays to our hyaluronic acid skincare routine, you just add more of a benefit. I will definitely have these products listed down below so you guys can check them out on my Amazon storefront. So first, we're gonna start off with the Say Hooray Hypochlorous Acid Spray. And I'm going to just go ahead and pat that into my skin. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our Tidal Rose spray. It just makes my skin smell so good, and it adds this like extra glow to it too. It smells so good, guys. Like, this is definitely a facial spray that you need. There we go. Now our skin looks nice and juicy and happy and looking like there is moisture that the hyaluronic acid can latch onto. Now it is time to apply our hyaluronic acid, and there are two hyaluronic acids that I'm always recommending. And the perfect beginner hyaluronic acid would be by The Ordinary. You can get this at Ulta, Sephora, Amazon. Literally, they're like pretty much everywhere, and their products go for a very great price. This is a great starter hyaluronic acid. Now the hyaluronic acid that I absolutely love and recommend for my girlies who really want to see a big difference in their skin is by Wellage. This is what the bottle looks like. This is called the Real Hyaluronic Blue Ampule 100. So this is actually medical grade hyaluronic acid. So it's no joke, and the texture is very different than the other ones that I've seen on the market. So if you want a more thicker texture, then shopping the Ordinary's hyaluronic is definitely one you should check out. If you're looking for a more watery texture, Wellage is the one you need to try out. So I'll show you guys what I am talking about. Did you see how that just trickled down like water? The texture is super watery, which I like because it absorbs very quickly into my skin. Make sure you apply some on your neck, by the way. So now we're gonna go in and make sure that you spread it all out throughout your face, as well as pat it in. Hyaluronic acid just feels so good on the skin. Like, it literally makes you feel like you are getting your life together, because when your skin is happy, you are happy. So if you are suffering with dry skin, wrinkly skin, you know, this is definitely a good skincare ingredient, a basic skincare ingredient that you should invest in. Definitely highly recommend it. I mean, look at the difference in my skin just by doing that. That's incredible, right? It looks so youthful. Hyaluronic acid is a great way to keep up a youthful appearance. But again, make sure you are applying this step by step the way I showed you. You need hydrating products so that the hyaluronic acid can attach itself. So now that I have that on, I like to go back in with my spray bottle and re-wet my face, just to add that extra boost of hydration. Because I'm not playing games with hyaluronic acid. I want to see the maximum results. Look at how good the skin looks. Oh my god. You guys remember what I looked like at the beginning of this video? My skin was giving like a little dull, a tad dry, you know. It did not have this beautiful glow and moisturized look to it. So yeah, this is the magic of hyaluronic acid. However, we are not done yet. We have to go in with a bomb moisturizer to lock and seal it in, okay? Because if not, you're just going to have done all that and not sealed in all that moisture and kept your skin happy for the rest of the day. So we are now gonna go in with a really good moisturizer. The moisturizer I like to use is by Youth to the People. This is called the Superfood Air Whip Moisturizing Cream. I'm very picky about my creams because I can break out very quickly. However, this cream does not break me out. I have very acne prone skin, so if you are a girly who suffers with very sensitive acne prone skin that tends to clog, this is definitely a moisturizer I recommend. It does not clog, it just keeps up my youthful appearance. It makes my skin very happy and works really well with all the other skincare products that I use on a daily basis. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your favorite moisturizer, and we're gonna lock in all of our work. And be generous about your moisturizer. Like me personally, I don't mind walking out looking like a glazed donut because I just look good that way. You get what I'm saying? Like, I look good looking like a glazed donut. When you look like a glazed donut, your skin just looks super healthy and youthful and well taken care of, expensive. So I definitely recommend being generous about your moisturizer. I mean, look at how beautiful it leaves my skin. Girl, like, yes. This is acne prone girl approved. Make sure you get your under eye area, and voila, that is how you apply hyaluronic acid intentionally in order to get maximum results. Last but certainly not least, you want to go in and protect your skin with a sunscreen. sunscreen. The sunscreen that I have been using and I really enjoy is by Kiehl's. This is called the Auto Tone Discoloration and UV Solution. This is an SPF of 30. I really enjoy it. This helps to visibly improve the appearance of discoloration over time, and I like that. I like that it's protecting my skin from the sun as well as improving any type of discoloration, because I have a few marks like here, I have some down here, and I have some on my forehead. Not many. I have literally learned so much about my skin. I have been very patient with my skin. I know my triggers. I know what I should and shouldn't be doing. So we are gonna go ahead and apply sunscreen on. And I'm actually also very generous with sunscreen, because sunscreen protects our skin from the harsh UV rays. If you want to avoid wrinkles and harsh lines on your skin, then you need to be applying sunscreen. I actually applied way too much for the video because I was talking and I had to repeat myself like a million times. You do not need this much sunscreen. My skin feels so good. Like, wow. So this is how you're going to properly use hyaluronic acid in order to get beautiful, happy, healthy, hydrated, and glowy skin. You can do this for your skin on a daily basis, which is the best part. Girl, let's get that skin together, because this spring and summer we are going to be serving skin. So comment down below, what was your favorite part about this skincare routine? What was your favorite part about learning how to properly use hyaluronic acid? Do you use hyaluronic acid at home? And which hyaluronic acid serum are you using? I absolutely love skincare. I love teaching about skincare just because of my own personal journey. I was a girlie who struggled with her skin. I knew nothing about skin. I was breaking out on a daily basis. Years ago, I would have paid thousands to have skin like this, and be able to maintain and achieve this kind of glass skin is such a blessing. And I really want to teach you guys more about skincare. So if you have any questions about your skin, any comments, comment them down below, and follow me for the next skincare episode. You guys let me know, what do you guys want to see next? Well friends, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and stay tuned for the next skincare episode. Also, make sure you follow me on all my socials. My Instagram, TikTok, and Lemonade will be posted down below. I'll talk to you skincare lovers very soon. Bye.